The states, including Bengal, are going all out fighting corona. But today we must ask, unfortunately, the central government is going all out fighting the states. Is this the spirit of federalism? Is this what is enshrined in our constitution? We really need to know what were the parameters by which these states have been selected. As you know, Maharashtra 2, Bengal 2, means two of these groups have gone there, ministerial groups. 2 from Bengal, 2 for Maharashtra, 1 for Madhya Pradesh, and 1 for Rajasthan. What is the basis? What is the criteria for selecting these? We really humbly want to ask the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Let me give you some specifics. As it is, out of the 6 which have been chosen, 5 are opposition states, but we can come to our own conclusions. Let me talk about my own state, Bengal. Kalimpong, few days ago, was given the clearance from the Ministry of Home Affairs. The last reported case from Kalimpong district was on April the 2nd. How come that is in the list? The last reported case from Jalpaiguri was April the 4th, and now it features here in the list. The last reported case from Darjeeling was April the 16th. Why this selective? Why this selective choosing of districts? What is the criteria? Tell us.
Standing in front of the Eastern Command of Border Security Force in Kolkata, in Baliganj area, the IMC team that arrived yesterday and over which the Chief Minister herself wrote to the Prime Minister is inside this compound. They went out on a round and again they went in. Now, what is interesting that we need to see is that a lot of BSF Jawans are patrolling this area, and suddenly there has, the Naka checking has beefed up in this particular point. Just a while back this wasn't present. So this can be termed as an entry or exit point of this area. And just 360 degrees behind me, I would like to request my camera person to just turn around and show you the other point, which is also being, barricade is being put up. Now, whether this is a protocol or not, or just mandatory checking of the area, is something that is completely unclear. But as the day will head on, we will get to see how the movement of this team within happens, and whether something crops up between the Kolkata police and the team that arrived from Delhi yesterday.